for today's not-so adventure. Replacing this mini stove, I guess you could call it. I think it's 20 inches. But anyway, these smaller stoves are far more expensive than the standard size stoves. And the tenant was saying that he can't use these two burners because it's too close to the wall. So I'm gonna have my guy come back and install some kind of metal sheet right there. But placing it with this Amana, pretty nice. Only $847. That was the cheapest one I could find. Make sure all of these are off. Grab your leak detector. Plug your power in. And then turn the gas on. And then we're gonna check for leaks.